Fantastic.
Tremendous.
Well done, my son. He goes early, he goes the right way. I've got goosebumps. What a moment. Go on, Peter.
And a save, Subicic got it. Save, Schmeichel. A captain strike. Slow run up. Ron Daly. Modric. Short run up and denied. And he's stutter step. Juric. Dalic can't look. He sends them through. Croatia in this World Cup of attrition don't bow out on to the quarterfinals after penalties.